In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Google Slides, a skill that can significantly enhance your presentations, making your data more visually appealing and easier to understand. So, let's dive in and start unlocking the full potential of Google Slides by adding some compelling charts. First, you'll want to open Google Slides and either start a new presentation or go into a slideshow you're already working on. Once you've got that ready, it's time to pick the slide where you want to insert your chart. Navigate to the toolbar at the top and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear and you should select Chart, then decide on the type of chart you want to use, whether it's a bar, column, line, or pie chart. Each type has its own strengths. Bar and column charts are great for showing changes over time. Line charts can highlight trends, and pie charts are perfect for visualizing proportions. As soon as you make your selection, Google Slides automatically inserts a sample chart into your slide. But of course, it's not quite ready just yet. You'll need to input your specific data. To do this, click on the chart and you'll see a small arrow appear at the top right corner, which reveals a drop-down. Click Open Source, and this will open a corresponding Google Sheets spreadsheet in a new tab. This is where you'll be entering and editing your data. The beauty of Google Sheets is it seamlessly integrates with your slide, so when you change the data here, it's instantly reflected in your presentation. Start by replacing the placeholder values with your own data points. You can also customize the headers and labels as needed. As you input your data, keep an eye on the chart in your presentation to ensure it looks just the way you need it to. That visual feedback is helpful in making quick adjustments. Now that you have your data in place, you might want to give your chart a bit more personality. Head back to Google Slides and click on the chart. You'll find in the toolbar a Chart Editor option that allows you to adjust the look and feel of your graph. You can change colors, fonts, and styles to match the overall theme of your presentation. Don't hesitate to explore these options to make your chart not only informative, but also visually cohesive with your entire slide deck. Finally, give your presentation a test run. Double-check that your charts are clear and that your data is represented accurately. Sometimes, a slight tweak can make all the difference in how your audience interprets the information. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a chart in Google Slides. With these steps, your data is set to make a greater impact in every presentation you create. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!